There's Kevin. He's about to launch his K-7 from a dolly. Take off into the sun. Well, it works. Did you mean to do that loop?
Yeah, because I can't see in the bloody sun.
No, it's horrible, isn't it? After a long walk back to the pilot's box, stayed up quite well. Silent flight until he puts the motor on. I haven't flown it for ages. When was the last time this was out then, Kev?
I don't know, 3 years ago?
Must be, yeah.
I think it's only had a couple of flights.
Yeah? Looks nice and majestic, doesn't it?
Gorgeous. Very slow on the controls like the full size.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But it is just beautiful.
Anything out there?
Nah, this I need a lot.
Yeah.
Look at that glide angle, that's just hands off.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful.
Your props motor is in.
Yeah, I haven't got the brakes yet, have I?
Ah.
No.
Ooh.
We might be landing.
Sounds a bit rough, doesn't it? That?
Yeah. That's probably why it dropped out on that
Uh-huh.
launch. Whether it's just come undone or not, I don't know.
Yeah, so
We are about
to find out.
I'm round you bugger, I might have gone too deep.
I'm on the fence, that little fence.
I haven't got much choice where I am, Bob.
Oh, you. That was good timing. Well done, Kev. That's his plan-built K-7. This is going to be flight 2 of Kevin's K-7 off its trolley dolly. That noise from the motor was that the prop had flicked over and stuck on the other one, putting it all out of balance. Here he goes. It's a short run, isn't it? Right into the sun. He lost it in the sun there, because that's the way the wind's coming from. It's a beautiful day, but there's not much left about. Looks very graceful in the blue sky.
I'll get that prop sorted.
Yeah. Nice weirdly shaped wing, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, I remember when I built it now,
Uh-huh.
and I had my heart attack.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, when I was convalescing at home, I brought it. It was good for my mental well-being.
So they say. Just sticking bits of wood together.
Yeah.
Was it a kit?
Yeah.
Uh,
A very nice kit as well, actually.
it looks it, doesn't it? Performing well.
Yeah. It's the same as the Chris Williams one.
Yeah. That's just windmilling your prop, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, it goes down.
Whoops.
When the power on, it just wants to go up vertical.
Yeah. Yeah, not much left today, is there?
No, nothing. But we know it works for when it is nice.
Yeah, yeah. Not enough moisture in the ground, I think.
No.
That blue stands out well in the blue sky, doesn't it?
Yeah. What idiot did it these colours?
Very graceful.
It is lovely to fly.
Yeah.
Want to go?
No, 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 no.
Yeah, just put some power on it, it just
Yeah,
won't
just-
let it go up.
Just drags it up, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Might be a bit too powerful for it.
Hmm. Ah, well,
I don't have too much and too little.
that's right.
Well, I think this is actually the most I've flown it, isn't it?
It is, I think it is, yeah.
Every time I just go in the windshield, you're like, the thing is, when I close the throttle, she's not got any bad habits.
No, it just flattens out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like it when it does that.
What's that?
I like it when it goes into a turn.
Yeah.
And puts the wings out. It's really good.
It's a lovely shape, those wings. Aren't
Yeah, yeah. Play this at night just before you go to sleep.
they? Well, I nearly brought a full-size one of these.
Did you?
Yeah. At this moment in time, I wished I had.
A lot of work involved in these old ones, aren't there?
Yeah. Yeah, the trouble was it was rotten.
Ah,
Yeah. My brother-in-law went to look at it for me and he said, no, it's just
yeah,
right off really.
yeah.
Well, they're blooming old, snidely. catches that bit of wind and she's straight up.
Brakes deployed. Oh, look at that.
That's
Very nice, dear boy, yeah.
I like that.